Choosing a car is typically a game of trade-offs. If it's sleek lines and mid-engines you're after, you could opt for a sports car. But those typically don't come with space in the back for anything more than a small piece of luggage, let alone family or the dogs. Need a more pragmatic car? One that you can comfortably park outside any business meeting? There are plenty of sensible options out there. But sensible doesn't tend to excite you quite that much, should you choose to step on the accelerator. And if you are a spirited driver, like myself, range anxiety is not something that you want to be concerning yourself with. With the introduction of the Eletre earlier this year, Lotus put an end to these trade-offs. Today, I invite you to join me as we deep dive into this new all-electric hyper SUV designed to get hearts pumping, arm hairs racing, and heads turning. It's not every day that you get to explore the details of what I think is one of the most thrilling new cars out there. Let me start off by saying thank you for being here. I know your time is precious, and so I'm hoping I can make the next 20 minutes worth your while with a little help from the artistry behind that wall and the Lotus experts joining us today. In any case, by the end of this unboxing event, you will have all the relevant information to make reserving your own Eletre an easy choice. Should you have any questions throughout the event, please feel free to post your questions in the chat where a Lotus expert will be on hand to help. Shall we? Here it is, the Lotus Eletre. The all-electric hyper SUV that defies the notion that you cannot have a sports car, a business car, and a family car all in one. Built on decades of sport car design heritage, the Eletre is every inch a Lotus, wrapped in a sophisticated, future-proof package that meets the needs of today's most discerning drivers. Now, with the support of our Lotus experts, we are going to unbox the Eletre's breathtaking design, unparalleled comfort, pioneering technology, and limitless performance. This version of the Eletre is only a few minor tweaks away from the final production model, and as such, gives a great impression of the one that could soon grace your driveway. The Lotus Eletre turns a new page for the legendary brand Lotus. And the Eletre benefits from over 70 years of experience in building exclusive and exciting sports cars, validated by the winning of 7 Formula One Constructors' Championships. Combine this with the very latest state-of-the-art technology and unprecedented versatility, the result is that the Eletre, like the Avaya and Emira before it, is the embodiment of a vehicle that simply refuses to play by the rules, instead looking to beat the rules. As a matter of fact, Lotus as a brand strives to be rebellious every chance it gets. To this point, Lotus has managed to give this SUV uniquely nimble proportions and aerodynamics, whereby the Eletre doesn't just slice through the air slices right through the Eletre, making it not only impressively agile, but impossibly efficient as well. This isn't your run-off-the-mill SUV, but something far beyond the ordinary. The question is, can you truly have the best of both worlds? You are about to find out. First, let us take a look at the Eletre's striking design, because at least in my opinion, how could you not? The Eletre is an SUV with hypercar proportions, and that's exactly as crazy as it sounds. It's got all the space and practicality of an SUV, but because it is an electric vehicle, designed following the same aerodynamic principles as the Lotus Avaya, it looks, then drives, just as you would expect from a Lotus hypercar. And because there is no big combustion engine taking up all the space under the bonnet, the Eletre has ample storage room under there as well as in the back. A tow bar and roof rails make the Eletre as versatile as it is stylish. In true Lotus form, The Eletre builds on Lotus founder Colin Chapman's philosophy of achieving performance by focusing on simplicity. Here to take you through the remarkable design story of the Eletre is Sebastian Henry.
The Eletre is what we have coined carved by air. You'll notice this, first and foremost, in the Eletre's dynamic mid-engine silhouette. The compact bonnet, heavily slanted windshield, and the long wheelbase give the Eletre an unmistakably sports car-like appearance. Adding to its athletic profile are the 23-inch wheels that account for half the height of the entire vehicle. And when it comes to making the Eletre your own, your options for exterior colors, interior styling, and design details are plentiful. Moving to the interior, you'll find yourself immersed in a world of visual lightness, a design language characterized by simplicity, refinement, and technology. You will see this come to life in the wing-themed dashboard, made up of two wing-shaped profiles that house the digital tech band. A screen that runs along the full width of the cockpit, serving up both a shared experience and individual information to the driver and passenger. Our hypercar philosophy is extended to the lighting too, characterized by slim LED daytime running lights at the front of the Eletre and an elegant blade of lights across the rear's entire width. Apart from being a beacon of style on the road, the ribbon light strip also serves as a battery status indicator while charging. The main LED matrix headlights are subtly hidden inside the air ducts. Once they come to life though, they are a marvel of technology. For instance, they scan the road for oncoming traffic and automatically dim only those lights that could potentially blind other drivers, while continuing to optimally illuminate the road for you, the driver. The Eletre rides in the sweet spot of automotive engineering. Every line is considered to increase both curb appeal and performance, including enabling you to go further, so that time potentially spent on worrying about range anxiety can be saved and used to enjoy the incredible Lotus driving experience.
A lot of thinking has gone into the way the Eletre looks and how its aesthetics amplify its performance. But smart design means nothing if you cannot comfortably enjoy the ride. This is why Lotus filled the Eletre with every conceivable option to make driving it the most enjoyable experience imaginable. I will hand you over to Alexander Stokes to run you through all the details around the Eletre's premium comfort features and interior design.
Most cars will take you from A to B, but it's not every car that makes you feel at home. From the moment you decide to take it for a drive, the Eletre invites you into a world of comfort and luxury before you even sit behind the wheel. You see, the Eletre knows exactly where you are in relation to it, courtesy of the ultra-wideband key. As you approach your Eletre, the welcome lights come on, and as you get closer, the doors unlock. As you move around the back of the vehicle, the trunk will open, depending on your personal settings. Upon entering, the 15-inch OLED, ultra-thin central touchscreen unfolds, sending warm waves of welcoming light towards the driver and passenger screens on either side. If you like, a soothing voice greets you as your steering wheel and seat adjust automatically in 20 different ways, including ventilation, heating, and massage settings. One of the benefits of the Eletre being an EV is the feeling of luxury and comfort defined by the driving experience itself, which is smooth, swift, and silent. Above you, you will find the Eletre's intelligent glass roof is your window to the passing clouds above. And if the sun is beating down too hard, just turn the roof's transparency off with a flick of a switch. Then, of course, no drive is complete without the right sound track, delivered by the right sound system. Exclusively built for Lotus, the 23-way 2,160-watt KEF audio system delivers an exclusive audio experience to match whatever your mood or destination calls for. Small in size and light in weight, the KEF sound system delivers crisp and balanced sound to all passengers, not just the driver, making the toughest decision being who decides the playlist. But comfort is more than just a feeling of luxury. It's also peace of mind. And so on the off chance you do run into any issues, you'll have the reassurance of Lotus's warranty, which covers unexpected incidents for the first 5 years or 150,000 kilometers, whichever comes first.
When you think of future driving, self-driving cars are typically among the first things that come to mind. And while autonomous driving is still on the verge of becoming legalized, the Eletre has all the hardware and software in place and therefore is ready for the roads of the future. The Eletre comes with 5 different detection systems that guide it through the most complex driving and traffic conditions. It also has 4 LiDAR lasers, 6mm wave radars, 7 HD cameras, 4 360-degree cameras, and 12 ultrasonic radar sensors. Even before autonomous driving is a legal reality, these systems offer vital safety support as you drive the Eletre yourself. The Eletre is connected to the high-speed 5G network, ensuring fast and stable internet wherever you go, as well as over-the-air updates to the car's main functions and software, such as the entertainment system. Breathing life into the Eletre's cutting-edge technology are 2 powerful chips that are 2 years ahead of the entire automotive industry. Much like the car they power, they are extremely fast, smooth, and stable, powering everything from the infotainment system to the intelligent lighting, ensuring flawless performance consistently. Through the Lotus mobile app, data sharing and other functionalities, like remote control, will enable complete driver control of the vehicle. The driver's experience is completed with a state-of-the-art 29-inch head-up display that projects driving information onto the windshield. Drive with it once and you will have a hard time imagining how you ever drove without it.
If there's one thing you may expect from a Lotus, it's performance. And you can rest assured the Eletre delivers on that expectation. I'm not just talking about speed, power, and torque, but range as well. And that's a rare combination, especially in a car with the dimension of the Eletre. You've heard about how the Eletre's aerodynamic design has been instrumental in achieving its exceptional performance. Now let's hear from Giuseppe Mele exactly what the Eletre is capable of.
When you step on the accelerator of an electric car, power delivery is instantaneous. And even if you've never driven an electric car before, you can only imagine the explosive effect that this has on performance. Now, imagine that power being delivered by dual motors, boasting more than 900 horsepower. And then picture yourself behind the wheel of Eletre when the light goes green, hitting 100 kilometers per hour mere seconds later. The Eletre will be available with 2 powertrain options. A 600 plus horsepower version, but also a 900 plus horsepower version. The 600 plus horsepower Eletre sprints from 0 to 100 km per hour in less than 5 seconds, has a top speed close to 250 km per hour, and pending WLTP homologation, a range around 600 kilometers. If that's not enough performance for you, the 900 plus horsepower model hits 100 km per hour in under 3 seconds, with a top speed north of 250 km per hour and an expected WLTP range around 500 kilometers. This model comes with a dual gear motor, which effectively reduces energy car's consumption and increases range as it shifts between gear, depending on whether you are accelerating or cruising. The Eletre Hyper SUV owes its sublime handling and performance to a unique aerodynamic design, four-wheel drive, and an integrated chassis control system. The double-chamber air spring ensures a dynamic yet comfortable driving experience, while the continuous damping control constantly adjusts suspensions and shock absorbers depending on the road conditions. The Lotus Dynamic Handling System contains rear-wheel steering and a 48-volt active anti-roll bar system, which makes Eletre very agile at the lower speed, while increasing straight line and cornering stability at the higher speed. The Eletre also has 7 air ducts that guide the airflow not just over and around its body, but right through it as well. The grille shutters close and the rear spoiler rises, optimizing ultra-low drag coefficient and producing downforce. This truly is where Lotus racing heritage comes shining through. The 800-volt architecture allows for next-level performance when it comes to charging, allowing for an ultra-high 350 kilowatt DC charging speed, filling up batteries up to a WLTP range of 400 kilometers within just 20 minutes, or 120 kilometers in just 5 minutes. The powerful 22 kilowatt onboard charger allows for a full recharge overnight so that you never have to worry about driving range and have more time to enjoy driving. Which, at the end of the day, is what all the hours of designing, testing, engineering of Eletre have been in service of: the thrill of the drive. Whatever your choice, you get the best of both worlds, in ways the world has never seen before.
And there you have it, the Lotus Eletre unboxed. Lotus Eletre has so much to offer in terms of performance, it's easy to forget it's an electric vehicle. And electric vehicles comes with perks. For starters, you no longer have to worry about skyrocketing petrol prices. Maintenance costs are lower due to the absence of lubricants and less wear and tear on parts. There are no exhaust fumes either, all contributing to a lower financial and ecological footprint of mobility. If you're considering to buy one or more Eletres for your business, our Lotus experts can give you advice on matters such as fleet charging and possible fiscal benefits. From private to business usage, we are here to give you all the support you may need. In regard to pricing, as you can see now, we are happy to share our starting from prices of the Eletre S and R packs and highlight the differences between them. The Eletre will be available summer 2023, and as a reservation holder, you will have priority access to order your Eletre, receive exciting updates whilst you wait, and exclusive offers along the way. We hope you have enjoyed the unboxing of this remarkable all-electric hyper SUV and found it insightful to dive deeper into the details of the vehicle. Thank you for taking the time to join us today. And if you are ready to take the next step, the reservation process is a simple one.